In this example, I have negative 2 cosine squared theta equals to sine to the power of 4 theta minus cosine to the power of 4 theta minus 1. So I need to verify this trig identity. So I start from the right hand side. So I will have sine to the power of 4 theta minus cosine to the power of 4 theta minus 1. Instead of these two, I can write sine squared theta minus cosine squared theta times sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta minus 1. And then here 1, as you know, is the same as sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. So I have sine squared theta minus cosine squared theta, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. These two are common, so I need to factor it. So I will have sine squared theta minus cosine squared theta minus 1 multiplied by sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. Then, as you see here, I have sine squared theta minus cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta minus cosine squared theta. Basically, this one I change it to sine squared plus cosine squared. These two cancel out, and we will have negative 2 cosine squared theta. And here this side is equal to 1, so we have negative 2 cosine squared theta times 1, which will be the same thing, negative cosine squared theta. That's exactly what I have on the left hand side of this equation.